Dobrý den, everybody. This is Coach Julio. I hope you're well. Wanted to give a really quick update and a short video about my trip here in Ukraine. So I am currently in Independence Square in Kyiv, and I will be here for 2 days. I'm actually making my way to help a group that's making camouflage nets. It's a very, very important thing that they're doing, and I'm just going to join them. I'll probably do it for 2 days. And today I bought my bus ticket from Kyiv to Kherson, where I will be going for a much longer stay to help clean out those houses, the residents that were affected by the destroyed Kakhovka Dam. Sorry, I had a 36-hour trip to get here, and I got here yesterday. But it's all good. I'm human. I have a McDonald's behind me. I have Kaba, so I'm pretty much all set to go. Here's a funny story. When I got the Kaba, I said Americano. The nice woman said 5 sugar. I said no, thank you. And I want to give you another story, a real story. And the reason why I'm here is to bring public awareness to the destruction caused by the Russian invasion. It's not only the physical destruction, it's also the emotional, how it's affecting the people and generations to come. Give you a perfect example. When I was on the bus, you make conversation. I was speaking with an individual who lived in the Dnipro region, and she was basically they say we live our lives as normal as we can, and that's with constant shelling. So imagine taking your kids, going food shopping if it's available, because even those have been destroyed by Russian invasion because they have no discrimination against who they're targeting. And like I'm in Kyiv right now, and people are just living their lives. And why? Because they won't bow to the Russian evilness. And I get a lot of courage from that. But that doesn't have to be so. So hopefully this war will end soon. But I'm going to do my part and do some volunteering. And I trust that you support the people of Ukraine, however you support, whether it's through funds, donating, or just keeping it in the news cycle that this war is unsolicited, and and peace is needed. So I will go to McDonald's to catch up and basically charge my phone, and then I'm going to walk because I think it's going to be like 94 degrees. I'm going to walk to my next task. As I said, I'm just going to help make some camouflage nets. So that's about it. Take care.